Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using harsh chemicals to clean your home? Well, I've got the solution for you, introducing the Steam Cleaner by WSRYYCC, a game-changing handheld steamer that's about to revolutionize the way you clean. This powerful little device uses only pure steam to blast away dirt and grime, leaving your surfaces feeling silky smooth and looking brand new. The best part, it's completely family-friendly, with no toxic fumes, no residue, and no chemical additives, so you can breathe easy while you clean. It's incredibly popular among customers who swear by its effectiveness and ease of use. When you hold it in your hand, you'll notice how lightweight and portable it is, making it perfect for cleaning those hard-to-reach areas, like between your keyboard keys or inside your car. The sound of the steam hissing out is almost therapeutic as you watch dirt and grime disappear before your eyes. One of the things that sets this steam cleaner apart is its ease of setup. It's literally plug and play, you just fill it up with water, turn it on, and you're ready to go. The feel of the steam on your skin is warm and gentle, yet powerful enough to remove even the toughest stains. Whether you're cleaning your mirrors, your floors, or your upholstery, this steam cleaner is the perfect tool for the job. I've used it to clean my oven, my microwave, and even my grill, and the results are amazing. It's like having a brand new appliance every time. It's also great for cleaning pet areas, like food and water bowls, and even pet beds, leaving them smelling fresh and clean. So why settle for harsh chemicals and tedious cleaning when you can have a powerful, portable, and easy-to-use steam cleaner that's safe for you and your family? Give the Steam Cleaner by WSRYYCC a try, you won't be disappointed. It's a total game ch if this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.